What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And yes, I am on my Costco tour, you guys. Like I told y'all, I've been on a Costco spree and I've been getting cool things, you guys. Now, when I go in Costco, I always tell my wife, or I always ask my wife, do you have your cell phone? And she says, yes, I know where you're going. So every time I say that, the first thing I do when I go to Costco, they have the computer section. So I always go to the computer section, TV section a little bit. You know, I hang out in that area sometimes a little bit. TV is like irrelevant for me. But then you keep going down, you walk past all the home stuff where they got the kitchen knives and stuff like that. And then you have your lights, you have your home improvement stuff. That's the aisle I like. I like that aisle, and the aisle in the middle where they have all the cool stuff like the cool arcade games and stuff like that. So if you're a Costco head, you know what I'm talking about, okay? So we have this Duracell lantern, you guys. It's a 2000 lumens lantern. One cool thing about this, it is solar powered. All right, so number one, you could charge this by USB. Number two, you can charge this by solar. And number three, you can use D-size batteries. So there you go. All right, all for you. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna lift everything up. You can see all of that stuff there. Pause it, do what you gotta do. But there you go. All right. Now, right here, if you use this at its maximum potential, it will last up to 2.5 hours. Now, I don't know if that matters to anybody because once again, you can use this as a solar source. So y'all can let me know. Now, one cool thing about this is you can test it out in the store before you buy it. So check this out. Wow. That is insane, you guys. This is very, very bright. I mean, this is very, very, very bright. Brace your eyes again, you guys. So we have number one, which is your brightest light. Your brightest light is approximately 2000 lumens. You click it again, 1000, 250. And then you have your red strobe light right there. So there goes your emergency light if you're on the highway or something, or if you out somewhere and you need help. That's your emergency light right there. And you hit it again. All right, and then you power it off. And this should be waterproof. I don't want to tell y'all that without me reading it. Y'all ain't going to get me on that one. Come on, you have to say it. You have to say it, right? You should be waterproof, right? I'm looking to see if this thing says waterproof, you guys. Because it's a lantern and you should be using it outdoors. Come on, come on. All right, so it's not telling us if it's waterproof or not, so I'm not going to give y'all that false promise right there. So let's go ahead and get into it. They're making this stuff hard to open, you guys. I don't know why. It's hard to steal stuff from Sam's Club. There's like 50 people scanning your ID. Then they got to look at your cart and all of that. So there we go. Now let's check the bottom of this. But right here you have your little hanger right here. So this is how you hang your lantern. Of course, you have your solar panel right there. This feels like rubber. I think it's still plastic, but it's pretty cool. It feels pretty cool. Right here, you have your USB charger. Then you have USB Type-C right there. So you can use this as what do you call it? A power bank. So you can actually charge up your phone. And then to put batteries in it, here you go. Oh, and that's pretty cool. They set you up with a charger wire. And then you can put your D-size batteries right there. You may not need batteries no more, you guys, depending on your situation. If you're out camping, then yeah, you might want to carry some batteries with you and stuff like that because the sun is not up 24 hours and your source of power is limited, right? Because if you're camping, I'm pretty sure you're not anywhere near your car. So I'm not a camper, so I really don't know. Y'all can let me know that. But anyways, that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.